Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Social Study class. This is a book of environmental studies looking around grade 4, chapter 27, part 3. The name of this chapter is Chuskit Goes to School. In part 1 and 2, I have already discussed about the Chuskit, about her disability, about her dream, and how her friend Abdul once came to her house and he wanted to solve the problem of Chuskit, and he was also wanted that Chuskit could go to school. So let's start the chapter part 3. What happens in the story now? Children, open page number 213. So let's have a reading of this chapter. Page number 213. A good idea. Abdul went back from Chuskit's house, but he had started thinking of how to get Chuskit to school. He explained about Chuskit to the headmaster and talked to the teachers till they agreed with his thoughts. Now everyone got together to work so that Chuskit's problem could be solved. They made a plan so that Chuskit could bring her wheelchair by road to school. So, children, in part 2, you had read about Abdul, Chuskit's friend. When he came to Chuskit's house and saw that Chuskit was not able to go to school, but it was her dream to go to school. So, Abdul thought an idea. When he went back to his school, he had discussed all the matter with the headmaster and the teachers, and all they were agreed to help Chuskit. Now everyone got together and they started working for the Chuskit's problem, that how the problem of the Chuskit could be solved. They made a plan so that Chuskit could bring her wheelchair by road to school. Let's move to page number 214. Let's have a reading. For this, the uneven road had to be made level. One group of children started to level the road. Another group worked to level the area near the river. But there was still a problem. How would Chuskit cross the river? The older children took help from the teacher to make a small bridge with wood across the river. Everyone happily worked hard. They wanted Chuskit to come to school. Chuskit's Amale and Abale were also very happy. They gave hot tea and biscuits to everyone. Chuskit's Memele had tears in his eyes, not because he was sad, but because he was very happy. By the evening, the work was done. All the children were happy, but the happiest of all was Chuskit. Her dream was about to come true. And today, it was that special day. Chuskit was all ready. She was eager to go to school. So, children, after the reading of this page, let's have an explanation. When all the teachers, children, and headmaster of the school, they got ready to solve the problem of the Chuskit. First of all, they made the level to the uneven road. One group of children, they started leveling the road, and another group worked to level the area near the river. But still there was one problem. The problem was to cross the river. Then the older children took help from the teacher. With the help of their teacher, they made a small bridge which was made up of wood. So in this way, Chuskit could cross the river with the help of a small bridge. So everyone happily worked hard. They wanted Chuskit to come to school. So this is an image which is being shown that how all the children, teacher, headmaster are working hard and they are leveling the road. They are making the bridge so that the Chuskit could also go to school. This is an image of Abale, father of Chuskit, and Memele, grandfather of Chuskit. Both are very happy. Memele had tears in his eyes because not because he was sad, but he was very happy because their dear daughter is ready to go to school due to the efforts made by Abdul. And they all gave hot tea and biscuits to everyone so that they had a nice party. They all were happy as they had made possible Chuskit to go to school. Now today is a very special day, a great day for the Chuskit. All the children along with the Chuskit, everybody was very happy because today the dream of Chuskit was coming to true. Now she could go to school. It was a special day for her. Chuskit was all ready. She was eager to go to school. So children, how wonderfully all the children, teacher and headmaster helped Chuskit and made it possible that Chuskit could also join the school on the wheelchair. Now due to the proper even road with the help of the bridge, Chuskit could move on her wheelchair and could reach the school on her own. So children, all the 3 parts of the video have been uploaded. So keep watching the video for the effective study and for the better understanding of the chapter. Thank you so much.